okay? But we don't start off going super fast. Just slow it down, spin the rope slowly, take your time jumping over the rope. You got this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the way of the jump rope. In this video, I want to help you learn how to do the jump rope run in place, aka the jog step or the alternate step. So I recently helped someone learn to do this move and they were struggling with it for quite some time, and that's because they were complicating the process. A lot of people struggle with the run in place, but let's really simplify it in this video. I've covered this move in previous videos where I showed some different variations of it, and I'll provide a link down below in the description to that video. But here, let's break this move down, let's simplify it. So if you want to learn how to do the jog step, I hope this video will help you. So the jog step, the run in place, or the alternate foot step, basically what that looks like without a rope is this. One foot is on the ground, and then we alternate feet. Okay, so you can imagine if I was using my hands now, and I was moving, I'm essentially running from the side. Okay, so one foot is on the ground, and they alternate. Okay, so a few things with this move. Let's really simplify it. I was helping someone learn this move. They struggled with it for a long time, and they were doing two things. The combination was just not working. They were spinning the rope too fast, moving their feet too slowly, moving their feet too fast, spinning the rope too slowly. Trying to do everything using incorrect timing. Break it down, slow the move down completely. So if you're able to do 1 foot hops, like so, over a rope, let's say you can do 1 foot hops quite well. If you can string 5 or 10 of them together in a row, can do the run in place. So even if you're just learning the basic 2 foot hop slowly, you could even try doing the 1 foot hop. Just be careful when you're doing 1 foot hops. You don't want to jump too high off the ground, because that one leg is supporting your body weight. So you're applying a lot more force, a lot more strain to the leg. When you're doing 1 foot hops, you want to try to jump low off the ground, minimize impact. When we're doing the run in place, 1 foot is on the ground, we alternate. So my right foot is on the ground, I'm going to bring that one up in the air while simultaneously bringing the opposite leg down. Okay, with a rope, just do it slowly. The person I helped recently, they were trying to do everything too quickly. Either the hands were moving too fast or the feet were moving too fast. They just weren't coordinating things. Do it really slowly. On one leg, spin it. It's so windy today, I gotta put a little bit more force in that rope. Slowly. We are running in place. Okay, so you can do 1 foot, 1 rotation at a time. Begin on one leg, spin the rope overhead. As the rope is going overhead, we're going to bring this foot off the ground and bring this one down. Okay, so watch this. My right foot is off the ground. Jump, jump. We just did a run in place. Opposite leg. That's a run in place. So my friend was trying to do so many steps in a row in place. Rather than just focusing on doing 1 or 2 steps well, do them slowly and then start adding more steps, and over time you can spin the rope faster. But just practice 1 or 2 steps. If I have my right leg on the ground and I bring my left down, back to the right, that's the run in place. Just letting the rope come around slowly. Over, 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 over. Slowly. That's the run in place. then of course, over time, you will be able to do it much faster. You can do it high legs, slowly. But the main thing is, slow, one leg at a time. I'm doing the run in place. I'm not spinning the rope quickly. Okay, so you can begin with one leg on the ground. Spin the rope. As the rope is coming around, alternate legs. Again, you've done the run in place. You can do this. Okay, swing back over. On the ground. I can even begin with my whole foot on the ground. But then I want to try to stay on the toes and balls of my feet. I don't have to smack the ground with my heels. Here. Okay, let's see that again. Down my left leg. It's the run in place. Slowly. One foot. So begin slowly. Get the timing and the rhythm down. Don't try to do the move too quickly. If you're able to do 1 foot hops, you can do the run in place. Just do it slowly. 1 foot on the ground, spin that rope over. Oh, it's so windy today. I put a little bit more force, but you don't have to spin the rope too quickly. Over. So as that rope is coming over, if you jump over the rope and then alternate feet, just slowly. You have time. 1 foot hops. I'm going to bring my right foot down to the ground. Look at the time. Lots of time. And we can gradually spin the rope faster. Okay, but we don't start off going super fast. Just slow it down, spin the rope slowly, take your time jumping over the rope. You got this.